Motivation.
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 Motivation. More motivation. The motivation. The motivation. Motivation.
Motivation or self-help industry. In recent years, self-help industry boomed exponentially, especially in English language. Besides, the majority of the share of this industry comes from the US. The trend is also getting followed in India and in the rest of the world. This industry mainly offers products such as motivational books, videos, lectures, and comparatively new addition to its product portfolio is mobile apps. If you have ever consumed any of these products, then you are a consumer of this billion-dollar industry. Now let's learn 5 interesting facts about this industry.
The first one, according to the self-help industry statistics, the market is expected to reach a value of $269.2 billion by 2024, with a CAGR of 6% during the period between 2019 and 2024. The major reasons for the growth of this market are the rising health awareness and an increase in chronic disease and obesity. The second one, while most of the self-help market consumers are women, men are far more likely to be motivational speakers. Most of those speeches are tailored towards the younger generation, millennials. In particular, the average motivational speaker's salary is $106,000 per year, while a senior level professional motivational speaker earns at least $217,000 per year. The third one, all motivational speakers, around 5,000 of them, earn over $1.6 billion every year. According to the industry statistics, the top 17 most popular motivational speakers generate around $296 million. The fourth one, self-help books are an essential part of this industry. According to self-help book statistics, 62.5% of self-help books readers are women. So more men are writing self-help books while more women are reading them. A significant number of self-help books written by men have a larger readership among women than among men. The average customer in the self-help industry is a middle-aged woman between 40 and 50. In fact, 70% of the industry customers are women. The fifth and the final one, self-help industry statistics show that 94% of the millennials are willing to spend up to $300 per month on things that can help them improve themselves. This generation spends twice as much on self-improvement as baby boomers.
By now, we definitely understood how much self-help industry is booming and people are ready to pay for these self-help services. However, does it really work? We will find out in the next episode.